Hi and welcome to HOWTECH Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to create a Gmail account. Gmail is a free email service by Google. To access the free email service, you would need to register and create a Gmail account. For that, we will be logging on to gmail.com. Over here on the top right corner, you can click on the Create an Account button to get started with the process. You can start by entering the first and last name. After that, you would have to enter the username. The username field only takes letters, numbers, and periods as an input. You can't use underscore or even special characters for that matter. Next, you would need to set the password for the account. Enter the same password once again to confirm and click on the Next button here. It's important to note that the password has to be a minimum of 8 characters. You can also use special characters for the password. Next, you would need to fill out a few details regarding your profile. The mobile number here is optional, but can be entered to keep your profile more secure. This can be used, for example, to send you a code on your mobile number when trying to log in your account. Similarly, you can enter an alternative email address which can be used to recover your account in case you have forgotten the password, etc. Next, you would have to enter your date of birth and select your gender from the options available. You can select the Custom option and type in your gender. Or select the Rather Not Say option as well. Lastly, you would need to agree to the privacy terms and conditions. You can move up to the More Options section here and select the privacy settings against web and app activity, ad personalization, and YouTube history. Once you have agreed to the terms of service, Gmail web application would open up and your Gmail account would be created. That's all. Would you like to know about any particular Gmail feature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.